Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Tesla charger. First, ensure your vehicle is unlocked. This is a crucial initial step. Then, locate the button on the charging handle itself. Press and hold this button for a moment. You will notice the charge port light change, indicating the latch has released. With the button still pressed, gently pull the connector straight out from the charge port. Sometimes, the charger might seem stuck. If the standard button method fails, try using your Tesla's touchscreen or mobile app to stop charging and unlock the port. In cold weather, a frozen cable can be an issue. Activate the inlet heater through the service menu on your touchscreen for up to 2 hours. As a last resort, there's a manual release cable in the trunk, typically on the left-hand side, behind a small opening. When using the manual release, safety is paramount. First, confirm your Tesla is not actively charging by checking the touchscreen or app. Then, open the rear trunk and locate the release cable, often a small strap, in the left-hand side trim. Pull this cable downwards to unlatch the charge cable. It is critical to pull the release cable before attempting to remove the charge cable to prevent electric shock or damage. To recap, always ensure your Tesla is unlocked and stop charging before removal. Use the button on the handle or the app or touchscreen if needed. If the cable is stuck, consider the inlet heater or the manual release in the trunk, but always prioritize safety. Handle the connector gently, and remember the charge port door will typically close itself within about 10 seconds after the cable is removed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.